Hi everyone, in this video we will show how to make cow dung compost. It generally takes 3 to 6 months, but by following few tips and tricks we can make it faster. Now first step is to take 2 to 3 cow dung which are dried in nature and you have to break them in small pieces. This will allow your decomposition process to decompose fast as small pieces generally decompose very fast. Now take a container and collect all your cow dung in it. Make sure to collect every single part which is left over and remember to add 2 to 3 drainage hole in this pot, as once we will add water will drain out from this pot and you have to collect the same water because it also contains much part of the nutrient. You can see water is coming out from this drainage hole. Now we have to take a small bucket or any lid that will start collecting our liquid fertilizer. Now cover your compost bin with a lid. This will not allow insect and any flies to enter into this. After 2 days, as we have applied water before, this will make your cow dung to get softened enough. With some small tools, break it into more small pieces. This will make your compost to decompose even faster. As told earlier, we have to keep any small bucket or any lid under the pot or compost bin. You can start collecting from day 2 liquid fertilizer and do not waste this liquid fertilizer, as you can directly apply it to your plants. You will get 2 fertilizer at same time, that is liquid and solid. After 15 days, and I am showing you one trick that I use on daily basis, that is using of old decomposed compost in our compost bin. This will help your compost to get decomposed even faster. You can give 1 or 2 handful amount of old decomposed compost. This will increase the microbial activity in our compost bin and we will get composting process even in faster or in a less time. Make sure to shuffle your compost bin after every 2 to 3 days. This will increase the aeration in this compost bin and apply moisture every after 2 to 3 days. Water will increase the microorganism activity and your compost will get even faster. Make sure you do not overwater your water and cover your lid every time. After 60 days, you will observe that your composting has started and your cow dung is starting turning brown or dark black in color. Shuffle your compost nicely and now it's time to again add a handful amount of our compost or decomposed compost. See, the magic is happening. Now we will add a small amount of our vermicompost or decomposed cow dung compost. If you don't have any compost in your backyard or at home, then you can add a small amount of soil in it, as soil also contains lots of microorganisms. This will help your composting process to go even faster. Now after adding soil and little amount of compost, we have to shuffle our composting or compost. After this we have to add some of the water, as we can see our compost is getting dry enough and here you can see after every few days we will get this liquid fertilizer. You can add directly into your plants or small seedlings. This will encourage your plant growth and boost its stem and leaves to grow faster. I always prefer to give organic fertilizer or compost to my plants. This encourages my plant growth. This is my mint plant and on daily basis I consume this, so there is no sense of using chemical fertilizer, as this will going to harm myself. Grow organic, grow healthy. After 90 days and our composting is nearly ready, we can use this compost in our plants, but we have to first separate the small particle and the big particle. For this we will use a strainer. Actually cow dung compost continue to decompose with the pass of time. It generally take minimum 6 to 9 months to fully decompose, but in this case we can use it in our Now we will separate our cow dung compost small particle and big particle, as small particle can be used in compost and it can be easily decomposed by plant soil, but the big particle need much more time to decompose, so we will add the big particle again in this same compost bin and our composting is ready. See what a fine quality of composting is ready. Now our plant will get enough amount of organic rich in nutrients fertilizer. Actually this fertilizer is very fantastic and you can give it to all plants. Cow dung compost is generally used widely in all the areas such as farming and in home garden and terrace gardening. Now we will again collect all the big particle of our cow dung and it will again further decompose. This will take nearly 1 month more and then after it you can use it in all the plants. How we can give cow dung compost to our plants? Just take 2 to 3 tablespoons and just spray over your plant pot soil. 8 to 10 inches size pot generally require 1 to 3 spoon of a cow dung compost. After this you have to give water to your plant and after that the further decomposition process will start and your plant will start absorbing the nutrients of this fertilizer. This all-rounder fertilizer can be given to every single plant which are present on the earth. So make your own fertilizer with these few steps and now your plant will grow healthy and big. This is my chili plant and you can see so many of chilies are growing. This is just because of applying right amount of fertilizer to this plant. Just by small tilling of the soil, this fertilizer will quickly get absorbed by the plant. Make sure if you love this video, please hit like and do subscribe my channel for this beautiful type of content. Stay connected. Thanks for watching.